Welcome students. Today's session basic concept of organic chemistry 11th standard already slightly discussed the topic. So a question point of view and important topic point of view on the short views for exams, public exam. So important topic, important lessons of basic concept of organic reactions. So first questions, different type of fission covalent bond. There are two types. One homolytic cleavage, another one heterolytic cleavage. The covalent bond breaks to the symmetrically. Each bond atom is retained on electrons. This is called homolytic cleavage. Example, the homolytic cleavage, example like that, CH3 sigma bond CH3. The sigma bond will be the breakdown CH3 1 electrons, CH3 1 electrons. So this is the bond formation is ethane, remove 2 means methyl radical. So equally separated, removed the covalent bond, breakdown. So symmetrically breakdown of the covalent bond is called homolytic cleavage. Next students, heterolytic cleavage. Heterolytic cleavage, the covalent bond break down the unsymmetrical of atom. So example, propane CH3 CH2 CH3. So will be the breakdown. The first carbon atom will be breakdown. So ethyl group CH3 bond CH2 free radical of electrons, another CH3 radicals of electrons. So in the breakdown, this is the unequivalent of covalent bond. This side is also 2 carbon atom, RHS side is a 1 carbon atom. So heterolytic cleavage students, heterolytic cleavage. Next, free radical inhibitor. The reagent create homolytic cleavage. Substrate is called free radical inhibitor, benzyl peroxide. So the benzyl is a benzene group attached of carbon double bond O and carbon double bond O and benzene. So the peroxide position here is the breakdown, remove of carbon dioxide and free radicals of benzene. Is a free radical of electron 2 times, one time another one time is a benzyl peroxides. Next student, important question, the most of exam repeated questions, nucleophile and electrophile. So nucleophile and electrophile differentiate. They are attacked towards to the electron deficiency center. They are attacked electron rich center. Electrophile is a electron rich center. They are electron rich, they are electron deficient. The negative charges ions is called Lewis base. The positive charges of ion Lewis acid. Example is the cyanide. Cyanide is the gain of electrons. So carbon, this is a cyanide atom. The cyanide atom like that, the carbon bond order 4, 1 2 3, the nitrogen will be attached, again one electron is also here. So this is a cyanide, is a Lewis base is a cyanide ion, example of nucleophile. Next is the nitro atom, is a nitro ions, example of electrophile. Next students, inductive effect. So inductive effect is the changes of polarizations of covalent bond, is the polarizations of CH3. Example like that, propene CH2 CH3 is the polarization of point in covalent bond. The position of polarization position the covalent bond, every hydrogen atom in presence will be covalent bond due to the adjacent hydrogen's atom. Sigma bond adjacent atom is a inductive effect. So two type of inductive effect, one positive inductive effect, another one negative inductive effect. Next class, next continue discuss. Next, hyperconjugation. So very important question. The most of exam repeated the questions for nucleophile and electrophile, inductive effect and hyperconjugation. So hyperconjugation, no bond resonance, delocalized of the pi electrons, delocalized as a pi electrons, delocalized is a pi electron of sigma bond, is called hyperconjugation. Example like that, the oxygen double bond O. So that the oxygen bond with double bond, the one is also sigma bond, another one is a pi bond. The pi bond is also sigma bond is the delocalized. The pi bond is a sigma bond is delocalized of hyperconjugation. And next students, the positive I and negative I, inductive effect. I is also inductive effect, is also very important questions. So the group will be attract electrons is called negative I effect. Example, fluorine, chlorine is the gain of electron. Bromine, iodine is also one electron's outermost cell, gain of the electrons is called negative inductive effect. Another positive inductive effect. The positive inductive effect is the example like that, OH ions. OH ions is called, the group will be released of electrons. Release of electrons is called positive I effect. Released of electron, positive I effect. So halogen effect of carboxylic acid acidity, the effect of minus I group, increasing of acid strength, the halogen bond with carboxylic acid towards itself, that makes ionization of H plus very easy. Example like that, acetic acid and more effective chloroacetic acid and dichloroacetic acid, trichloroacetic acid is a more concentrations. Next, positive I effect is like that, the butanoic acids, acid strength, and propanoic acid and acetic acid and formic acid is a plus I effect, is a more increasing of the acid strength. Is like that, hydrogenations of I, increasing of acid strength. Students, next class will be discuss other topic. Thank you to all.